Hi, Miss M6721. Please introduce yourself.
Hello, good day to all employers. My name is Ruby Salazar. I am 40 years old. I'm born in October 6, 1985. I am single mom with one daughter. She is 17 years old. And I have experience in Saudi Arabia for almost 2 years. My main duty and responsibility to taking care of the newborn and the child. I do chores like cleaning, ironing, washing up clothes, and laundry. And I have experience also here in the Philippines as a caregiver. He is a 94 years old. I do prepare the food and give them the medicine and prepare the clothes and for taking a bath, the patient. And
Okay, so you have experience being a helper here in the Philippines as a caregiver
yes,
for a 94 years old.
Yes.
So you are the one who changing her diaper, right?
Yes.
Okay, and you have experience also taking care of a newborn.
yes,
So you know how to prepare a milk, right?
yes, taking the bottles.
Okay. How?
Prepare
Okay. If the baby is crying, what will you do?
check the temperature and then to check the if the baby hungry or you need to check the diaper.
Okay. And if the baby won't stop to cry, what will you do?
We call the employer.
Okay, you will call the employer. Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Ato more knowledge is more skills and for the future of my daughter.
Okay. And how long do you want to work in Hong
As
Kong?
long the employers want me to stay in their family.
Okay. Do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
Not really, but I will learn to how to cook. I will watch on YouTube.
Okay, you will watch on YouTube. And also find some recipe books, right? Okay.
Yes.
And also if your employer have a time, you could ask them if they could teach you. Okay. It is okay to you to eat the food that the employer provide.
Yes,
It is okay to you to cut your hair into short.
yes,
How about sharing jobs as a helper?
yes, I will.
It is okay to you to sharing room with a baby.
Yes,
It is okay to you to taking care of elderly and pets.
yes,
It is okay to you to learn their language.
yes.
Okay, my last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
I hope you hired me as your part of your family, and I will take care of your kids as on my own.
Okay. Thank you so much, Miss Ruby.
Thank you.
Okay.